Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss about relation and function, 5 marks, very important questions. So every year they will ask a 5 marks question in this part. So relation and function, especially in a function they will ask the 5 marks question, that is also based on the invertible function. In last class we have discussed about composition of function. Using that composition function we can solve to find that inverse whenever the function is invertible or not. So one by one we can discuss the process. So what are the condition for the invertible function? So function invertible होने के लिए it means the function has to be inverse. So then it has to be 1 and also onto. It means you need to prove that the function should be 1 as well as onto. Then only the function has the inverse. So then what is 1 function and what is onto function? The 1 function is nothing but for every element of set A has a one and only element in a set B. It means only it has a one image in the second set. It means different means or distinct element in the second set. That is called the 1 function. And what is onto function? There is no element left in the second set. It means all images have a pre-images has to be there in the given set A. It means every element has to be belong to the mapping. Then the codomain should be is equal to range. That you need to prove the f of x is equal to y. Then y is equal to y by using the composition function. By mathematically 1 means the f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then x1 is also equal to x2. You need to prove this one. And onto means if y is equal to f of x, then f of x is equal to y, or this y belongs to capital Y or the codomain, then that codomain is equal to our range. It is nothing but our onto function. If the function is 1 injective, onto function surjective, then the function should be both 1 and onto, then it is called the bijective. The function should be bijective for the invertible function. So the first question is f is mapping from natural number to y. Y means the y is given, y is equal to 4x plus 3 for some x belongs to natural number. So they have given already whatever the range is there, that is nothing but our codomain. It means they are indirectly given the codomain is equal to range. It gives what? It gives the onto function. So indirectly they have given the onto function. You need to show it is 1 then as well as onto, and you need to say it has a inverse, then you need to find the inverse function step by step. So first you need to take the given function. F is mapping from natural to y as f of x is defined as 4x plus 3. So for 1 so 1 check karo. So f of for all x1 x2 or belongs to our natural number, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x value? 4x plus 3. Then what is f of x1 value? That is 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2. Here it is x1, here it is x2 plus 3. Then 3 get cancelled because have a same sign. Then 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Then 4 cancel. Then x1 is equal to x2. Hence it gives what? It is a 1 function. It is a 1 function. Now you need to take the onto function. So onto function check. So f of x is equal to y. What is y? That is belongs to the codomain. What is f of x value? 4x plus 3 is equal to y. Then you need to find the x value. So x value, so 4x is equal to y minus 3. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. So now you need to substitute this x value in the given function. This function, this is our a and this is our b. Then substitute b in a or 2 in 1. You can take anything. So x value, so 4 into y minus 3 by 4 plus 3 is equal to y. This 4 cancel. Y minus 3 plus 3. Y minus 3 plus 3 is equal to y. 3 cancel. Y is equal to y. It gives what? It is a onto function. So the function is onto. Function is onto. Now the function is 1 also, onto also. It gives what? The function is bisective. So you need to find the inverse of this function. function is bijective, then we can find inverse of f, that is, to find f inverse, therefore f of x is equal to y. What is f of x value? 4x plus 3 is equal to y. For finding the inverse, you need to swipe the x and y, then y is nothing but our inverse of x. So x 4x is equal to y minus 3. You have got the x value. So x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This is our f inverse of y, because the equation in the y. Then it is nothing but our f inverse of y is nothing but y minus 3 by 4, as well as f inverse of x is nothing but x minus 3 by 4. You will get the 5 marks for this question. So here you need to know, the last time 2024 they asked the 3 times for the 3 examinations are there, 1 2 3. So they are asked only this example, as well as 23 and 2017 and 2014, the very important question for the our annual examination. And the second one, and this one and second one are the very similar. So here 4x plus 3 is the same function, y is equal to 4x plus 3 is the same function, and the given domain is changed. So the real number to real number, the function is 1 1 also, on 2 also, just you need to change this value. Which value? N. Here it is n is there, it is r is there. So you have to swipe the n as a r as a y. So here it is n a y. So pahla, so r value n, then r value y. Idhar dekho, n and y. So it is become r to r. So don't worry, you just need to change the r value. Here you need to take r, here you need to take r, then it is true. Clear? So same to same you need to do. So we will get the answer. And this function given f is mapping from n to y. Again they have given the y. Y means whatever the codomain is there, that is y is codomain, and here it is y is nothing but range. Whatever आपका range आएगा ना, वही आपका codomain. So one check करो. F of x is given. What is f of x? Square function for natural number to y. So you can check all number x square. So whatever the y is there, that is all our output. Output becomes range. So x square natural number के लिए output क्या क्या है ना, वही आपका range. So f of x 1 1 for all x1 x2 belongs to natural number, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 square is equal to x2 square. So here square will be cancelled because the function is mapping from n to y. It is okay. So if it is z to z, r to r, the square will not cancel because x1 equal to minus x2 आएगा, because it has a two values. Minus 1 square is also 1, 1 square is also 1. Because of that, the natural number is 2 is there, only natural number is there, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. ऐसा different images आएगा. So x1 is equal to x2. It gives what? 1 1 function. So it is 1 1 function. Next, on to function. So for all f of x is equal to y belongs to y. What is f of x? X square is equal to y. So find the x value, root y. So here it is x equal to root y is there. So simplify this one. You have to substitute this value in the x square. So this is 2, this is 1, 2 in 1. Then it becomes x square root y square is equal to y. Root square cancel. So y is equal to y. This is our sample. Then it is also onto function. The function is bijective. The function is bijective. Then we can find inverse of f. Inverse of f. So to find f inverse. Simple. So f of x is equal to y. X square is equal to y, x is equal to root y. Simple. So this x is nothing but f inverse of y is equal to root y, as well as f inverse of x is equal to root x. Swipe the x and y. बस उतना ही. So वही आपका solution. So very easiest है. So one by one. the set of all non-negative real numbers, show that function given by f such that r plus 2 4 comma infinity, sorry 4 to infinity, given by the function f is mapping from real plus to 4 comma infinity. It is defined in their domain. So f of x is x square plus 4. They have given exactly 1 as well as onto function, because they 4 to infinity, it is the minimum value, it is the maximum value, and r plus, it is defined for only the real numbers, because then you will get the 4 to infinity, because whatever the square function is there, then it should be a positive only, otherwise you will not find a 1 function. So first check the 1 function. So for 1 function, you know x1 x2 belongs to real numbers, so positive real number. Next, the this is nothing but r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. R plus is the for all x1 x2 belongs to real number, so f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. 4 cancel, x1 square is equal to x2 square, the positive number is only, then we can cancel the squares, then x1 is equal to x2, hence it is 1 function. It is a 1 function. So you need to find the onto function. Same procedure, onto function. So f of x is equal to y. Y belongs to 4 comma 4 to infinity. Then f of x value is nothing but x square plus 4 is equal to y. X square is equal to y minus 4. X is equal to root of y minus 4. So substitute this value in the, so root of y minus 4 square, x square plus 4 is equal to y. So square root of y square means this square root and square cancel, y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to y. 4 cancel, y is equal to y. This is our solution. Hence it is onto. The function is onto. The function is 1 as well as onto. Then it is bisective. The function is bisective. Then it has an inverse. So you need to find that inverse. Then to find f inverse, you need to write here the function is bisective and it has an inverse, or it is an invertible function. Then you can find the f inverse. So now find the f inverse. Same procedure. F of x is equal to y. Then f of x is nothing but x square plus y is equal to y. 4 is equal to y. Here you have find the value in x value. Directly you can write it. So directly write this value, root of y minus 4. This equation is in the form of y. So take it as a y only. It means f inverse of y is equal to root of y minus 4. This is our f inverse of y. So you need f inverse of x, and it is nothing but root of x minus 4. This is our solution. So the next one is same, only 5 examples are there. So this one is a difficult one. Difficult means not difficult. So you need to solve it. 1. Then for all x1 x2 belongs to the real number, what is the function? The f of x is 4x divided by 3x plus 4. So given function is there. So I don't write it as again. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? F of x1 is nothing but 4x1. F of dabba, 4 dabba, 3 dabba plus 4. So dabba value is nothing but x1. 4x1 divided by 3x1 plus 4 is equal to 4x2 divided by 3x2 plus 4. By comparing directly also you can write the x1 is equal to xt or x2, sorry, and you have to solve it, then you will get the x1 equal to x2. So cross multiplication, 4x1 as it is into 4x1 as it is into, so this 3x2 plus 4 is equal to this one 4x2 into this one 3x1 plus 4. So you need to multiply inside 4x1 into 3x2, that is nothing but 12x1 x2. 4x1 into 4 that is 16x1 Next 4x2 into 3x1, there is nothing but 12x1 x2. 4 into 4, 16x2. This and these are common terms, cancel karo. 16x1 is equal to 16x2, then it is nothing but 16 cancel, x1 is equal to x2. This is our solution. Then it is a 1 1. Now you need to find the onto. So f of x is equal to y, then you need to solve the f of x is equal to y. Then what is f of x value? 3x divided by 4x divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to y. Now you need to find the x value, that is nothing but 4x is equal to y into 3x plus 4, cross multiplication. So now 4x as it is, y into 3x is 3xy, y into 4y is 4y. So you need to find the x value. Take x terms as a one side. 4x minus 3xy is equal to 4y. Take common. What is the common here? X. 4 minus 3y is equal to 4y. You need x value. So x is equal to 4y divided by 4 minus 3y. This is your solution. So it means x is equal to 4y divided by 4 minus 3y. So you need to substitute this value here in this function. So in this function we need to substitute this value. So देखो क्या होता है, तो 4x, 4 डब्बा value is there, directly I will substitute, or you can write 4x divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to y. X value I am writing here. So 4y divided by 4 minus 3y divided by, ये वाला देखो 3 into what is x value? 4y divided by 4 minus 3y plus 4. Then this equal to y. You need to prove that this equal to y. Now 4 into 4 is 16y divided by 4 minus 3y whole divided by 4 into 3 becomes 12y and cross multiplication 4 into this one, because you need to find the LCM. So this divided by 1 is there, cross multiplication karo, 1 into this become this only, then 4 minus 3y into 4 karo, then middle plus is there. 4 into 4 is 16, 4 into 3 is 12y plus into minus, दुश्मन का दोस्त दुश्मन होता है, तो minus 12y the whole divided by 4 minus 3y. Now this 4 minus 3y, this 4 minus 3y cancel, this plus 12y, this plus 12y cancel, minus 12y is cancel. You need to prove it as a y. So the remaining terms 16y divided by 16 only. You can write here, or you can take the next page. So the 16y divided by 16 is there. You need to prove it as a y. 16 cancel, so y is equal to y. Hence it is a one onto function. So 1 function हुआ as well as onto function हुआ. Then the function is bisective as well as it is. Then you can find the inverse of that function. So to find the f inverse, how to find f inverse? You know, f of x is equal to y. F of x value is 4x divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to y. So you have found the value है ना, x value. Last you have found that value, x is equal to 4y divided by 4 minus 3y. Yes or no? This is your x value. So this x value is nothing but f inverse of y, that is nothing but 4y divided by 4 minus 3y. So now you need to find the f inverse of x. So it is nothing but f inverse of x is equal to 4x divided by 4 minus 3x. This is your 4 minus 3x. So this is your solution. So I solved everything and you know the values are there. So here it is, the 4y divided by 4 minus 3y is there. Now this is your x value. This is nothing but your inverse of y. So you need to follow these steps, then you will get the definitely 5 marks. So thank you for watching my video, and if possible to subscribe my channel Mr. B Mathematician.